This is the quickest and easiest lasagna in the world. To start, add olive oil to a frying pan and then add the minced meat. Let the meat fry. And when it's done, add 3 cloves of chopped garlic, a chopped onion, and let it fry for another 3 minutes, stirring all the while. Then add salt to taste, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, black pepper to taste, and stir again. Now add 340 grams of tomato sauce. Stir again so that the sauce incorporates the meat. And then add 200 milliliters of water. When the sauce is boiling, add the lasagna noodles, placing them in a row like this. Then stir gently so that the noodles are coated in the sauce. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Now add slices of ham. I used 100 grams here. Once this is done, add grated mozzarella cheese and add as much as you like. Then add oregano on top and cover again. Leave to cook for another 3 minutes until the mozzarella has melted. And look how delicious it is. This lasagna is amazing and ready in minutes. It's just perfect. And now I'm going to serve it to you so you can see how it turned out. Make it at home and I'm sure you'll love it. And let me know how you rate this recipe. Because your opinion is very important to us. This recipe is amazing, it's very delicious and very easy, of course. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye bye.